Greetings to everybody. It is really great to meet all of you. And it is the right time because you are at the entry level. Even though maybe some time has passed in this particular place, again you have to think that you are at the entry level and still there is a journey you are supposed to take forward. What is the purpose of that particular journey? Be very careful. The purpose of that particular journey is not simply to make money, not simply to accumulate wealth, but the purpose of the journey is to realize who you are. And who are you? Ask that question to yourself. And in order to find who are you, what is that are you doing on a daily basis? What you do on a daily basis is going to very clearly tell who are you. And that spark will arise. This is what I am, this is what is my capability, and these are the things I have been created for in this particular great place and this particular world. All those things will happen only if you are going to understand who you are. And if you want to find who you are, I would say this place is a great place to do all kind of experiments and realize that particular potential which has been gifted by God. Most of the people who have been here and who have used those times very effectively, who have used the freedom which is available here in ample, have grown in life. It is not going to happen overnight. And if it is going to happen overnight, then it is called as a miracle. And even if a miracle has to happen for a human being, it is not just like a miracle which is being created by God. Human being also is like God, but they have to prepare and they have to create that miracle. And in order to create that miracle, the base level miracle is getting into a career of your choice. Are you ready to experiment? Ask that question. See, everyone has the opportunity. Today, everyone is talking about, oh, the world is going to end and things like that. See, only people who do not have that kind of a thinking of looking forward and looking at challenges will start thinking like that. Let us not come to a conclusion without experimenting. And usually, when you experiment, the conclusion will always be positive. And what is that experiment you are supposed to do? An experiment which is going to make you get launched from a higher launch pad into a career of your choice. And do you want to get into a career of your choice, or do you want to just get into a career which just comes across? Most of the people who have got into very good careers have prepared. What is that preparation you are supposed to do? You have to find it out. And that is why we have an entire set of faculty in an institution. We have the entire set of environment around that particular institution. And most of the people keep thinking, oh, I am not having that and this. Are you using what is there? And if you use what is there, I don't think that a lifetime will not be enough to use what is already existing. See, in Tamil, it is very clearly said that ஆயிரம் வாசல் இதயம் அதில் ஆயிரம் எண்ணம் உதயம் யாரோ வருவார் யாரோ போவார் வருவதும் போவதும் தெரியாது. What does it mean? Many people will come and go into your mind and they will actually put whatever thoughts they want into your mind and they will vanish. And are you going to hang with all those thoughts without even thinking about it? Think. ஆயிரம் வாசல் இதயம் அதில் ஆயிரம் எண்ணம் உதயம். If your thoughts has to be really great, யாரோ வருவார் யாரோ போவார். Don't allow anyone to come inside and contaminate it. Allow people who are going to come and actually make you realize who you are with great thoughts, because finally if something is going to happen, it is only because of you and you using the facilities, you using the faculty of an institution, you using the surroundings of that particular institution. And please believe, God has given you enough. You are already in a good institution, you are already surrounded by good faculty, you are already surrounded by greatness, and only thing which you are supposed to do is open your eyes and look at all that which is available, start using it, and you will automatically create a great career. And just for example, as a student, if you are going to take how you are going to get into a great career, a great career happens only if you are going to be very good in academics and beyond. Both are parallel tracks. Academics is one track and beyond is another track. What is that beyond? In general terms, you call it as extracurricular activities or co-curricular activities, or whatever you are going to do extra beyond what is there in your curriculum and syllabus and your regular academic activity. And today people say that technology is everything. Who created the technology? A human being created the technology. According to me, technology is only a supplement. You are supposed to be really very good in many things, and the technology maybe it will help you in certain things. So don't think that technology will do everything for you. Before looking at what is artificial intelligence, first scratch your head and find what is your intelligence. Before looking at what is machine learning, as a student, first go and put your hands on machines and learn the basic machines. Let us say a turning machine evolved becomes a turning center. A milling machine evolved becomes a machining center. Like that, everything has evolved without knowing from where that evolution came from. What is the point in looking at technology? Before looking at what is blockchain, look at an engine block and understand what is an engine block. And if you really have to talk about all these things, then get well in your basics. And you are in a great institution. You have to believe that wherever you are, believe that that institution is great. Use all the facilities. Believe in your faculty. Go behind your faculty. Make your faculty come behind you, and jointly things will work. I think it is a great time for all of us to face what we are supposed to face, explore and experiment and start understanding who we are and go forward. Challenge is something which we are supposed to take it with happiness. Whatsoever we do with utmost joy becomes creativity. And you want to become creative? Start doing whatsoever you do with utmost joy. Don't keep thinking of what I am going to get. Always do it. Immediately you will experience what you are getting, and that is the joy of doing. And whatever you learn, try to share it with others, because most of the things, more than getting, there is a lot of joy in giving. And teaching is a profession where there's a lot of joy in giving. I am really very happy, proud to be a teacher, and I'm very happy and proud to be blessed to be a teacher in a great institution. Wish you all the best. Let us all jointly work together and see that you are going to succeed in life. Life happens only to those who are daredevils. Life does not happen to lukewarm people, and therefore start early, start early, start early. That is what I can say. Don't start at the neck of the moment and say that I do not have time. Enough time is there because you are at the entry level. Wish you all the best. Let us all together bring name and fame and whatever it is for the betterment of our institution we belong to. And through us, our institution should see great heights. And through you, we should realize success. Wish you all the best.